Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to follow pages on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. And then you should type in the name of that particular page. Let it be an organization, a band, musician, a celebrity, or a service that you are looking for, such as a restaurant like McDonald's. So if you tap on it, you will be able to follow this page by tapping on the like button. So if it is a person, you can follow them, and if it's a site of an organization, service, or etc., you can like them, thereby following them. So you are going to receive their posts and photos in your feed. As you can see, they are indicated here at the home section. If you are interested in the pictures of their uploads, then tap on the photos section. In the post section, you can read their posts, videos, and community as well. However, if you are no longer interested in this service, tap on the like button and click on unlike, and then you won't follow them anymore. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.